So before the Evolv system, we tried to use metal detectors. It just wasn't working out for us the way we wanted. They were very labor intensive, they took quite a long time. We had long lines for students coming into the class.
If we were to use or rely on metal detectors solely, I would imagine that our kids wouldn't get to class up until second or third period. When we do use them at sporting events, I would say it's random at best. We stop every 10 students, just because we recognize that if we're stopping every single kid, that's going to take a lot of time.
It was so time consuming, having to do one kid at a time. And they were so sensitive that literally a kid's necklace could set off the metal detector.
Lack of integrity with the devices that we used prior to Evolv is the reason that we abandoned them and went this direction.
Evolv Systems is looking specifically for a register of weapons, and for lack of better terms, less invasive than the metal detectors and less time consuming.
You literally can just let them flow through. And the best thing about it is it tells you who's being flagged. The metal detectors don't tell you, so that you have to go one at a time. But with Evolv, you can have 3 or 4 kids walk through at one time. And if somebody's being flagged, it specifically tells you who it is. So it doesn't slow up the whole school or process where if there's one kid that it flags, we can just check that one kid.
In your community, knowing that you have taken a look at the landscape of the options that are available, and then come across the Evolv product and hopefully maybe have reached out, done a beta test, it's then important to go to a school board, take a look at what the security investment is going to look like, make that either an operational or capital expense for your school district long term, and know that at the end of the day that you are putting the best safety and security devices in the screening landscape in place. And at the end of the day, it is priceless. If you can save one life, it's worth every penny.